and down.
Shake around. Shake around.
Shake around. Up and down. You do the finger up and down.
Shake around. Shake around.
Show me your moonwalk. Do you know what a moonwalk is?
What?
The moonwalk is, watch my feet.
I can do that.
Oh, be careful.
I can do that.
Okay, start over here and try to do the moonwalk. So what you do, okay, ready? Show the feet, now ready? Now slide them back. That's the moonwalk. Now dance, yeah. Girl, get it. Move those shoulders, move those shoulders, move those shoulders. Move the hips, move the hips. Move the legs, do the moonwalk, do the moonwalk. Do you remember the moonwalk?
No, I don't want to do it.
Oh, okay.
This is it.
I'm messing up her dance classes.
This is down here.